Hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDPI King. Today we are going to discuss about the reasoning question of SNAP 2024 paper by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper itself. So as you know that we have initiated the series of solving SNAP all paper, all the questions of this paper right from the sequence wise of 16th number question to we have completed our quantity aptitude section as well, and after that, but let me tell you, please watch this question, the trick I have used, because by using my tricks you will be able to solve in the shortest possible time. You will be able to solve the question, so that is very important for you if you want to gain 99 percentile plus, that is more than 99 percentile. Then you have to apply the approach what I have applied in 35th number question and also in 28th number question. Direct from answer, direct from options I'm answering. So you have to know, not always you have to go from the question to answer. Somewhere you can go from option to question, will be easier for you and able to make it will make you able to score higher as well. So yesterday we solved, as you know, 39 number question in our continuous series. Today this is a day of 14th question we are going to solve. So here you see A introduces B as what? So A is introducing B. Okay. So A is saying that B is a female. First of all, you have to get this B is a female. Means B, if I will make B is a female. Okay, B is a female. C is the wife. Okay, C is the wife. So there will be only any husband of grandson of father of my father. So first of all, we have to make a tree. Tree means what? Grandson means the son of son. Okay, this. So there is a my father means my father. Now, so where is A? Now you have to find out where is A. So A is of my father, means grandson of father of my father, means my father is someone, means this is my father, so this person is my father itself. Okay, are you getting? This person is my father itself, and the moment I will say that this person is my father, what does it mean? So there will be somewhere A, but you know that A will be in a hierarchy position of this. Okay, okay, A. So what is the relationship of B with A? So you can see here, it cannot be sister, it cannot be mother, it cannot be daughter, it can only be sister-in-law. Exactly, the correct answer of this question is sister-in-law. So it is the sister-in-law. How it is related, you can see here, when you are saying that ए के फादर, ए फादर के फादर का ग्रैंडसन है, उसकी शादी हुई है, दैट्स ऑल. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इजी figure, and they both are brother. For your kind information, let me tell you, if you are not getting this thing. Okay, so the correct answer is A. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you join different and various colleges and exam wise groups. Link has been given below. Approximately 200 members already joined. So join our channel and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for joining us.